Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby.
Hello, it's your girl candysenette, and I'm back today with a new video. Y'all know I don't usually record with my glasses on, but today hopefully the glare is not going to be too bad because we're recording with our glasses on today because she can't see, and we need to go get some more contacts. But anyway, if you're new to my channel in good old Texas fashion, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back, and next time bring a friend. So today I am recording in my dining room because every other room seems to be occupied today. So here we are. But y'all, today I'm going to show y'all a couple of outfits that I styled for the fall. But first, we're going to get into why we're here. Okay, and we're here so that I can show you this lovely bag that I received from Uubags. The bag that we are going to be discussing today is the LV ONTHEGO MM tote bag. Okay, let me say that together. LV ONTHEGO MM tote bag. Okay, and it's in this color gray, but it looks like a taupey color, but anywho, you'll get the gist. Okay, so here is how the bag is packaged. I took off the shipping and everything because they had my address on it, but here's a look simple picture of the bag. Okay, you got your LV box, and we are going to open it together. Okay, the bag comes packaged in the LV bag. Okay, your little dust bag, and then within the box, of course, you're gonna get your little LV ribbon, and then you're gonna get all your credentials, is what I'm gonna call them. Okay, so let's get this bag opened. Y'all, it's cute. I styled it with some of the outfits in this video today, and I also took it to church yesterday. So here we go. Here is what the bag looks like. Y'all, look at that. That color is so pretty. It says gray on the website, but this is more of a taupey olive green color to me. It has the LV logos all over it, and it's just a nice, cute, small tote. Now it does come with a shoulder strap, so let me show you that. Here is the shoulder strap, which I have not opened. I'm gonna open it with you guys, and it's the same color as the bag. You have your LV insignia here on both prongs, and you can definitely wear it as a crossbody. Although this style of bag, I probably will never wear it as a crossbody. Who knows? But let's get into the inside. So here's what the bag looks like on the inside. You have a zipper pocket on this side, and then on the other side you have two different compartments. Y'all, this bag packs a lot of room. Like I said, I have my Bible book in here, my wallet, and some other things. I had a bottle of water in here, so it does pack a punch, and it is really, really cute. I love the bag. Like I said, the packaging was great. It was amazing. So I am going to leave all of the information for this bag in the description box. And with the purchase of this bag or any bag on the website, you will receive $50 off. Just use the code CANDY50, and I will put that across the screen. Again, that is CANDY50 for $50 off of your purchase. So we want to thank Uubags for sending me this beautiful bag. I love it. I love it. And let's get into the styling portion of the video. So we are still into styling these fall trends, y'all. Fall is here in some places. Like I said, I live in Texas, and y'all know that, baby, this Texas weather is come and go. It's been really good in the morning, but like in the evening, like midday, it gets hot, and then towards the evening it kind of cools off a little bit. But cool here right now is about 75, so that's technically not cool. Like I want it to be like 70 all day. Okay, because I'm ready to pull these boots out. Okay, y'all, put a comment down below if y'all putting y'all boots out already. Because, baby, my boots are saying, I cleaned off my shelves and I got rid of some boots. And, baby, the boots is saying, hey, wear me, okay? That's what they saying. So, the outfits that I have selected today. You have seen the pieces. You have seen these pieces before, and they come from some of my recent hauls. And then there's an item in there for another haul that I have coming up, which, yeah, y'all know I told y'all I shouldn't be shopping no more, but it's inevitable. It's my guilty pleasure. It's the way I relieve stress, okay? So, to each his own. But anyway, the first outfit that we're going to look at is the suit that I hauled in my Tokyo haul. Now, I got this suit from a store called GU, which is like a sister store to Uniqlo, if you know what that store is. Now, this did not come paired together. They were separate. So it says this vest and these pair of pants, these pair of slacks, and they have the crisscross in the front of these slacks. And then this vest is just a double-breasted black vest. Now, the first look, I added a polka dot little necktie, which is actually like a little headband scarf, but I thought that gave it like a little class, and I put on a little C pin. I have on those tabby boots, y'all, that I got from the Amazon. Okay, and then I just have this Norma Brzezinska bag. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. It's MBM. Yeah, I don't know, but I had that bag for a long time or whatever. So yeah, this was my first look. This was very appropriate for work, for church, whatever, wherever you want to go in it, it's definitely appropriate for that. Now, the second way that I styled this particular same suit is with those Onitsuka sneakers in the yellow and the black. And I wish I had a yellow and black bag. Like, I wish I had a yellow bag or something sporty just to give it that sporty look, because I did change the purse, and I just went for this purse that I got from Shoe Dazzle. It kind of is like that tote style, but kind of made like a little crescent moon. And then I added these fun earrings that I got from a vendor here in my city. So yeah, I really thought this was really cute, really fun, really sporty, really edgy. If you wanted to take the suit on a sportier event, I feel like this would be perfect for that. So I went ahead and added the earrings to kind of match the shoes, kind of bring out the yellow a little bit, just to show you that you can play with the outfit. All right, let's go to the next fall outfit. Okay, so the next fall outfit and trend that it follows is the denim on denim trend. Okay, so this trend is just, I mean, it's really not, I don't consider it to be a fall trend, because why? Because it's a trend that we wear year round. It's not something that we just save for fall. It's a trend that we wear year round. So denim on denim is so popular. And so with this particular outfit, I added my Fashion Nova wide leg jeans that I just hauled, maybe the last haul you saw, these Fashion Nova wide leg jeans. And then I took this denim top. It's like it was a bodysuit, but I cut the bodysuit part off. The part that goes in between your legs, I cut that off because I didn't need it. And then I just left it, you know, kind of like bustier style. And then I added these fun earrings. If you know me, you know I love a big fun earring and a cute pair of glasses. Okay, so I added that for just a pop of fun. And then I added the On-The-Go bag from Uubags. And I think this outfit was really cute. I added my what color is that? It's like a beige ankle boot with this look, and I think it made for a really cute look. Really cute look. Okay, I love it. I think it is really cute. And then if I'm going somewhere and it's a little bit chilly, I also added a denim shirt. This is actually a shirt dress that I no longer wear it as a dress, of course, but I still feel that it can transition into my wardrobe as like a cover shirt, or if I just want to wear it as a denim shirt tucked into some jeans, I feel like it will serve that purpose as well. So everything stayed the same. I just added the denim top or denim shirt on top just to kind of give it a complete denim on denim look. So of course your denims do not have to match, everybody knows that, but this was a look that I came up with. Let me know what you guys think about these looks down there in the comment section. Love me a good denim on denim. Okay, so the next look was kind of a up in the air toss up kind of look, because this is not what I had in mind when I was putting on these jeans. remember I told y'all that crushed velvet is on trend for the fall, and I did have a crushed velvet crop top. Well, I put that crop top on and I really didn't like it. I really didn't like the look of it. It kind of read childish to me, so I'm gonna donate it. It's just not, it wasn't cute. I didn't pay a lot of money for it. Of course, I probably got it at Ross or DD's, but it just was giving childish, and I was like, yeah, it's time for this to go. So I changed this look all the way up, but we still kept with the slim straight jeans, which is definitely a fashion trend for 2025. And I just opted for a like silky looking top. This shop is from Akira, and a white blazer to go over my shoulders in case we get cold. This blazer is probably from Shein, so it's not really like the best quality. And it does need to be ironed because, like I said, this outfit was pretty much like last minute. I added my little clutch, white clutch from, that was from Shein. And then I put on a white ankle booty. And that booty is so old. I've had those boots for like years. Before white boots were even a big fashion statement. I think I've had those boots. I can't tell you where they're from, because like I said, they're old and the inside is rubbed out, so I don't even know. But I've had them for a while, and they're finally starting to get wear, because I was actually going to buy another slouchy white boot, but I was like, I already have these. Even though they have a couple of scratches, I can get some polish and kind of polish those scratches out. But that's what I went for with this particular outfit, and I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, the blazer probably needs to be ironed. But other than that, I think it's a really cute look, really cute style for the slim straight jeans. I think a good slim straight jean and a nice ankle booty is perfect. Or you could have put it on with some knee boots and kind of stuff the jean in the boots to kind of give it that little scrunchy look. But y'all know that's what's in style right now. So that is what I did for this particular outfit. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If y'all see me looking over here, I'm actually looking at my computer so that I can see the outfits. So I can remember actually what outfits I had with what, because I didn't remember. On to the next one. Okay, so this next look, of course, we have a barrel pant. We have a barrel pant. These barrel pants, I've had these for a while, maybe like about a year or so, maybe 2 years, because I had them last year. But these are like a nylon barrel style pant that I got from Shein actually, and I put on this little blouse with the poofy sleeves, and this shirt is from Shein as well. And then, of course, I added my little Chloe belt that is from Shein. And then I also went ahead and added the ONTHEGO bag, the LV ONTHEGO bag as well, to kind of give this a little look. The colors, like I said, the olive green and that taupey-ish color bag just went perfect together. For shoes, I went with my GH Bass loafers. I picked these loafers up at Ross. And they were in one of my hauls. And then I added a pair of Argyle socks, y'all. These brown Argyle socks with this little brownish loafer. Oh, it was giving everything. Like, I really do like this look. Even though, I mean, I could definitely have put a boot on. I could put a heel on. I could put a lot of different things on with this particular outfit. But I loved how it came together with the loafer. Just a cool, fun little look. I think it paired really good with those little barrel leg pants. And yeah, it just gave a little contrast. Of course, I went for a fun little earring that I got from this little earring accessory store here in Houston. And yeah, I thought it was really cute. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I love the collar on this shirt though too. I could have added more necklaces for a longer stack, which is probably what I would do if I was to wear this again. I would definitely do that. But I just love the socks with the loafers. Like, if you rocking socks with loafers, let me know. I want to know what y'all think about that. I really like that look. Okay, on to my, see, this video is gonna be fast. Because I believe this is this is the final look. Okay, so this particular look is fall brown. I'm just gonna call it that. It's gonna be autumn brown is what this is, because we know that this brown color is going to be amazing for the fall, and brown is everywhere. So for this particular look, I went for a brown tank. This is a bodysuit tank. And these are those wide leg jeans that I got in Tokyo that I bought for my daughter that were actually too big for her. They're a size 34. So what I did was I belted them with like a little brown belt, and I let them hang really low so they could be really, really baggy. And then I have this new in blazer from Ross, girl. I went to their clearance section and found this blazer. The sleeves are already ruched, so it gave it that look that I wanted. And then I put on a brown sling bag. These sling bags are from Shein. And then this little bag that I got, this was a old bag that I just keep in my rotation just because it's unique and it's different. So I keep it, I hold on to it because I may not ever be able to find a circle bag like that again. So I just went for that particular bag. That bag is probably from DD's or Ross or something like that. But gold jewelry. And then I had these little copper earrings. I want to say copper, but they were like tassels almost. I don't know. They're like a bronzy color. But anyway, I thought this would pair really good with the look because of the bronziness and the earrings and then the brown and then I just really love the baggy jeans. Like really, I didn't think that I was a fan of baggy jeans, but I really, really, really am feeling the whole baggy jean thing. Like, let me know if y'all rocking baggy jeans because this right here, this guy, corporate. If I could wear jeans in corporate, this would definitely be an outfit that I would take to the office. But I cannot wear jeans to work. But definitely a pair of slacks with this would be cute. I think a pair of clear slacks. I think a pair of ivory colored slacks would be cute with this. Also maybe a pair of brown slacks and just keep it a whole monochromatic thing. But yes, I think this outfit was really cute. I loved it. Let me know what you guys think about these looks down in the comment section. Okay, so that was really all I have for today's video. I kind of wanted to keep it short. I really just wanted to show you the bag and then be able to style the bag a little bit. I do have a couple of hauls coming up soon, so stay tuned for those. And if you're not following me over on Instagram and TikTok, what y'all doing? Y'all can even follow me on Like to Know It. I don't post. I'm trying to get into my LTK thing and my LTK bag, but y'all, I'll get there. Of course, I'll get there. But definitely follow me on LTK. The link is in my description box. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all the things, okay? See, my dog about to start barking now because he like, you wrapping it up? Because you in my space. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.